Hi, today in front of me Nokia 515 and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So open first the menu, then scroll down to the settings, select them, scroll to the tones, tap on it, and here go to the message alert tone. Here click to options, tap to change, select and switch your currently sound to off. Tap to select and click to save. So by this way we'll mute all of our notifications. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.